This tutorial is on Khan Academy, so I'm going to show you an overview of Khan Academy. When I log on, this is what it looks like. I am logged on as an educator. If I click up here in the right top-hand corner, I will click on Teacher Dashboard, and you can see that I have one class set up. It will show me students, resources, and things like that. So when I click on classes, I can click on the class I have, and I can look at the data. I can assign things. I can look at an overview of activity. If you see, I didn't do a whole lot with Khan Academy. I created a class, but then I often just sent out videos through Google Classroom. So if I want to look up different videos, let's say I'm teaching multiply fractions. Here it gives me all. I can be specific and do videos, articles. If I want students just to do different exercises, I can click on those, and this will just be the problems that go along with this. But I can also, if you see over here, it kind of gives you the task bar. So here it'll start with an intro, and then it'll just take you through this whole thing. This is great for students who are early finishers and you want them to move on, or it's great for students who are struggling, and it's great if you want to do more independent work. So for this example, if you're doing flipped classroom, students could kind of follow along, learn the lesson, and at the end there's a review, and they can do practices as well. There are all sorts of different things I can do. I can have everyone do the same questions. I can have everyone do different questions. I can assign due dates. I often did not do all of this. I would just share it, like I said, through Google Classroom. But if you see, since I have a class set up, I can assign a due date, and all that stuff. Let's say I need to do skip counting. There is a topic on that as well. There's a topic for pretty much anything that you're looking for. So same thing, it'll take you through different levels over here, and then you can continue to the next lesson. So when I use Khan Academy, I only use Khan Academy for math, but if you click up here in courses, you can see specifically what Khan Academy teaches. So let's say I'm teaching first grade. It's going to give me different options for first grade. Let's say I want to explore art history. It's going to give you where to start, hit let's go. I can assign different things. Let's say I want to look at Europe. And this is giving me more of reviews and questions that have already been created. But there's so many different things in here. Like I said, I only used it for 5th grade math, but the options are endless with Khan Academy. It has great videos that have questions that go along with them, and especially if a student's struggling and you've tried to show them different ways, this is great. So if I'm doing geometry, high school, it gives you different options here. Let's say early math. They have some pretty specific questions. You can do a unit test, fractions and shapes. There's all sorts of different things, and you get points for things that you have actually done. So this is Khan Academy. It's pretty self-explanatory. Here is your home. So there's like my profile, shows about the teachers. This is where I can find my class code to share with students. You can also do this through Google Classroom. Courses, like I said, you can assign courses. So up here at your teacher dashboard, you have all of your options as well. Resources. And here's some great training videos to show you how to use Khan Academy. You can download the training guide. And then you can also see your students. And if I would have used this a little more, it would have given me great feedback on each student. But like I said, I mainly did it through Google Classroom, so it doesn't show me as much that I could have used. But it gives you a lot. When you click on like progress, it would show you how kids are doing, whether they're mastering it, how many points they have, are they understanding it. So it's pretty informative and helpful. So that's all I have on Khan Academy.